How to use Revolut RevPoints. Cloud Phone Setup 2026. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Revolut RevPoints. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Once you start using Revolut regularly, RevPoints are added automatically to your account, depending on your plan and transactions. To use your RevPoints, you simply open the Revolut app and go to the Rewards or RevPoints section, where you can see your total balance and available redemption options. This area shows different ways you can spend your points. One of the most popular ways to use RevPoints is converting them into airline miles or travel rewards. Revolut allows you to transfer points to partner airline and hotel loyalty programs, which you can later use for booking flights or stays. You can also use RevPoints for travel bookings directly inside the app, where the points help reduce the total cost of hotels, experiences, or trips, instead of paying the full price in cash. Sometimes Revolut also offers special deals and promotions where your RevPoints give extra value, allowing you to unlock discounts or exclusive rewards available for a limited time. Overall, RevPoints are designed to reward your everyday spending by turning purchases into travel perks, discounts, and lifestyle benefits directly inside the Revolut app. That's all for the video.